Hi everyone, this is Cindy of Create the Heart. I'm really excited to do a craft with me video today. We're going to be using Winter Magic. So I'm going to be using some paper from the Winter Magic collection. It does include a stamp set, which I am using the Tis the Season stamp. I already stamped it, and that one's ready to go. I'm using some ephemera, also from Winter Magic. And I'm also using the Winter Magic Layered Images stencil. And so this one's really fun. We're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you the card we're going to make. This is it. Is that pretty? And so try to kind of match up the colors of the collection with things I had in my stash. So I actually am using some Concord and Ninth ink. I'm using sea glass and grapefruit, but I mean, obviously you can use whatever floats your boat. So it's layered. So I've got my card base. It's just an A2 size card base. So that measures 5.25 by 4.25 when it's folded. And so I am going to just get blending. I'm using these Concord and Ninth brushes just because I have them, and you know. So I'm very gentle with this stencil because it's got a lot of these, you know, the leaves for the poinsettia, and they're a little bit, I don't know, they feel fragile to me. And so I just kind of do a soft touch on them, which means maybe more, you know, ink on my brush to kind of get the color and the look I want. But the reason is because those leaves are kind of, I don't know, fine to me, and I don't want to bend them. Also, I don't want to get too much ink behind it. You know, I want to be able to have the look that I want. And so the middle is going to be, of the card, is going to be taken up with my focal image. So I am not going to be doing any sort of ink blending around the middle. Okay, so there we go. So you can see it's got a really soft kind of look. And then I'm going to kind of do it like this, I guess. Like that maybe. And so I just continue on to get this blended. And this is a fun stencil. There's only 2 like layers. That's all you need, really. I mean, because you can kind of, I mean, you can darken up, you know, parts of it, like, you know, if you want, right, with this one stencil, you know. So there's that. I'm not too worried about that. That's going to hopefully get covered up. You could, I do have this, shoot, I don't know where it is. I've got this cloth, but I think it's fell down, so I'm not going to worry about it too much. And so the hardest part I found was finding how to line it up. So And so here we go. Okay, so there we go on that. And then I'm just going to do one more right here. Okay, and we're ready for the green. So I usually use like a paper towel or something to kind of wipe the edges so I don't like get some color mixing going on. But I didn't bring that with me to my craft area. So you'll see, I don't know if you can see it on here, but there's the outline of the poinsettia, and then this is the leaves, and then the middle that are going to get done. So I've got like one on here that is sort of, I think, the skinniest one, which is this one up here, I'm thinking. So you're just going to kind of have to find out where to line it up. And I think that's, you know, you find a place that you think works for you. And then you just kind of lay it down. I mean, obviously you could put it, you know, some tape down, or you can use pixie spray. But I'm moving this, I'm going to be, you know, lifting this up, and there's not very much to do, and then it's going to get lifted up and moved on to the next one. And there we go. There's that. And then we've got this one, which is, let's see, is it this one maybe? Kind of works. All right, and now moving on to this one. Let's see. And it's just a matter of like lining things up. I don't know if that one lines up properly. Okay, I think so. All right, and then this is the last one. And let's see here. I will line up this one right here, I'm thinking. And this paper underneath is just so that I don't get paper ink all over my table. That's all. And if you can see my inking a little bit better, then that's a plus. And then to clean the stencil, you could just use a cloth to wipe it down. I've been using alcohol, just isopropyl, I guess, and it comes right off. Okay, so here it is. It's all inked up. It looks so pretty. And so now I've got my images here. So this is just going to fit right here in the middle. Just to finish this card off. And then I've got my leaves. Actually, I only found one leaf, so I don't know what the deal is with that. But no worries, I had this other leaf in there, and it'll give it a little bit different look. So I'm totally cool with that. Like that. And then this is going to go here, but I'm going to put this one on foam. Okay, so on Oh. There's that. And now I've got this one. This is the sentiment that I stamped from the collection, from the stamp set. And then the last bit, so just the season. So the last bit is some sequins. So I've got a bag of sequins. These are loose sequins from Close to My Heart. I had gotten these from the last thing that I did. I want to take these out because I don't want to dump these in. From the what was it? Crop and Create. Oops, got them everywhere. Okay, so now I've got to decide. I think I'm just going to put like 3 kind of maybe I like to do odd numbers. So I'll do like 5. And I normally use my, I use my little tool that I have, the little waxy tool that helps pick it up. But these are really kind of big, so I'm not going to worry about it too much. And one more. Okay, so now we have our cute stencil background with our little rose. So here are the 2 cards that I made. Are they cute? So really simple and easy to do. A really fun stencil. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Playing with the Heart.